Hello YouTube, I am back and I am doing a map of the Beast. They make survival islands and they have a whole bunch of different maps that they've made, and I'm doing the frost mushroom biome island, and we have I see diamond. I'm gonna get them. Anyway, I'm gonna do these and they have different requirements to do. Oops, there we go. Build a brick house, build a nice farm, make a cake, make an underground tree farm, make some orange wool, go fishing, build a mob grinder, make some little baby cows, make some awesome enchanted tools. We're gonna make this exciting. Hold on 1 second. 1 second. There we go. Okay, let's begin. What's in this chest? Lava bucket, 2 ice blocks, a melon, bone. I suppose I need to turn the melon into seeds and get those in there. Now I'm gonna need to eat soon, so I'm gonna have to start growing. Unfortunately, a cow is down there, and I'm gonna need to get that cow out. First things first, I'm gonna need to cut down a tree. Now, I see that red mushroom up top the hill, but I don't know if there's any brown mushrooms, so I can make any mushroom stew or not. If not, that kind of sucks. Now, I do want to kind of get a sapling, because if I don't, then I'm done. Even though I have plenty of other trees around. Get a sapling! Do-do-do-do! What's that? There's a stone building out there. Oh, now I'm watching. Are there any saplings? Is that a sapling? Come on, sapling. One of you leaves must have a sapling. Because if you do not, I will be very sad. That tree did not drop a sapling. I was doing a survival island video once, and there was one tree, and it did not drop a sapling. So I had to swim all the way to the mainland just so I could obtain a sapling. And then I came back with about 4 just to make sure it didn't happen again. I was so angry. Anyway, now I have wood. I like the birch in this texture. Anyway, let's get the crafting table going up here. Oops. There we go. I'm gonna need a pickaxe. Oops. There we go. Wooden pick. I'm gonna just leave that there. Let's grab my pick and come over here. Here. Okay, is that gold? Yes, that's gold. More diamond over there. There seems to be plenty of minerals around. Okay, we've got water over here and grass, so that's good. I'm gonna leave that sugar cane there for a sec. And I'm thinking I'm gonna just mine into the cave here. Because once night falls, it's not gonna be nice out here. I'm just thinking, how do I make an underground tree farm on a floating island? I'm gonna need to find clay for my brick house. That's somewhere underground, obviously, hidden. I'm making a map, too, of a bunch of islands. It's gonna be interesting. But, where is... Clay must be hidden. Anyway, I've got some stone. So back over to my crafting bench now. Do. Okay. Stone pickaxe. Do. Put that on reserve, even though I really want to use it now. Oh, be quiet, cows. Okay, stone shovel. That's good. Now, I'm gonna need, let's just do a wood hoe. Okay. Oh, hold on. I'm back. I just needed to accept my video. It was done recording and start recording the next video. Anyway, I've got to eat before I go hungry. So I'm thinking my next goal is to get a farm of melons going. I have a bone meal, so that's good. So let's gather some grass here. I think that's a bit too loud. That's good. What is it, invisible? There we go, let's just fill that back in. Okay. Just filling some of this in so I can use it for this. I'm gonna need it later, definitely. So I'm just gonna plant it along here. There we go. I want to plant these seeds here. Melon growing. There we go. Okay, looks good. Yep. Okay. I definitely don't know what I'm going to do with this. I'm probably going to have to build some retaining wall and then let it loose. That cow I cannot lose. I'm thinking, I have other cows, but I don't want to lose him. And that sheep I definitely don't want to lose because I need the wool to craft. Well, I could get spiders for my mob trap. But, okay, lava bucket. Is cobblestone generator on the list? Hold on. Brick house, nice farm, cake, underground tree farm. Go fishing. Okay. I guess you need up, don't you? Come on up, chicken. I just pushed you off, didn't I? I just pushed the chicken off. No! Chicken! No! Thinking I should try and get a sapling now. I really wonder what that is. Come on, sapling! Come on, sapling! So, if you haven't seen Last Jump Hero that I've made, Leon was with me. A melon has grown. How epic is that? Okay. Oh, that's 9 minutes, meaning. Oh, gotta shut that off. Okay. Episode is complete. Thank you for watching, and I just got my melon.